So the Chesapeake Watershed Forum is an annual conference the Alliance hosts over 2 days at the National Conservation Training Center in Shepherdstown, West Virginia. We have over 400 conservation and restoration professionals come through the door at this event, and the whole weekend is spent sharing stories, experiences, lessons learned tied to our work restoring and conserving the broader Chesapeake Bay watershed. It's really this inspiring space, energizing us to be ready for the next year of hard work as we restore the bay. There's an estimated over 18 million people who live and work and play in the Chesapeake Bay watershed. And when we talk about the on-the-ground implementation we have to do in order to meet these bigger water quality goals, it's really about engaging all 18 million to be able to get to that point. So our stewardship and engagement program focuses on different audiences, different priorities, interests, and several different angles to be able to engage those individuals where they're at. There is no other time during the year that we get so many individuals inspired about the same issues tied to the Chesapeake Bay to be in one place in a beautiful outdoor setting, talking about these issues, sharing ideas. When we ask our forum audience every year what's the main reason they come, what do they get the most out of, it's always about hearing and connecting from others with diverse perspectives on these same issues.
Once I got to the forum, it was an amazing experience, to be completely honest. So I would say that the main thing that I walked away from, but I don't think I get from anywhere else, is building relationships and building connections with other like-minded individuals who have their own programs and who you can connect with if you want to engage with those programs or even create them in your own area. It creates friendship, but also opportunities.
There is this forum magic, or what we call at the Alliance forum magic, which is just this kind of great feeling you get inside when you learn something new or you just hear about something from an angle you never even thought about it before. And that is what you take inside with you and carry forward when you leave.